Welcome to Easymorph training presented by Easymorph. Today we will look at dates and how to change the date after you've exported to Excel. A date exported from Easymorph into Excel appears as a number, and in this exercise we will change that number so that it represents a date. I opened Easymorph, start a new project, add data by generating data and using the calendar action. So I select the start date and select an end date, and I only want to bring in date as a number, and I apply. Now I would like to add two more columns, and the one column I'm going to call it date text, and the second column I'm going to call date change. The date text, I will now click on the arrow down or right mouse click and change the data type. I'm converting the data type to text. Now I'm going to just save my project, and I'm just going to save it and call it ExcelDate. Now I will export my project, so I'm going to add an action called export, and I'm going to call this ExcelDate file. I will overwrite it and apply, and I'm going to run this. Let's have a look at our Excel file. So I just will open my Excel file, and you will see that the data's number is shown as a number in Excel, the data's text is shown as text, and the date is changed. This is the date that we will be changing in a minute. At the moment it still shows numeric. What I would like to do now is to use PowerShell command to change the Excel date after it's been populated. So I'm going to add an action, and I'm going to type in PowerShell. Next, I will just grab some code that I've already written in PowerShell. So here's my code. I'm just going to copy that and paste it in here. So the first part is commented out. The second part says you're working with Excel, go and get the file path, open the file path, then look at specific sheet name and change a specific column to the correct format that you would like to have it in. So I'm going to close that and say apply. Before I continue, I just need to add a few parameters. So I will go to projects, edit parameters, go and add a parameter, and the first parameter is file path. And here is my file path. I'm going to add another parameter for sheet name, and the sheet name is Sheet1. And lastly, the column name is column C, because it's the third column that I want to change. I click apply, and now I can go and run. Just before I do that, if you look at the preview, it should now replace the parameters. So it did replace it there. It will go there, and sheet 1 and your date. So let's have a look at our file. If I open it up, you can see the date did change, and it's now a date format in Excel the way I've specified. And that's all that there is to it. The PowerShell code I will include in the video below. Please feel free to download it and use it. If you've got any questions, please send me email at support@easymorph.com.au. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website easylytics.com.au or send us an email support@easylytics.com.au. If you would like to see similar videos, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you soon.